Dear friends, today in this video, I'll be discussing you what is ITR 3 and how to fill up ITR 3 and who can fill up ITR 3. All these things we shall be discussing in this video. So let me first share my screen. Yeah, let me first share my screen. A very small screen, then I'll go online and show login, and then I'll show how ITR 3 is to be filled up. That is creating a problem. That's yeah. So this is my screen, a very small one. Too much problem from the net today. Yeah. Okay, let me open. So dear students, earlier I have discussed ITR 1, ITR 2, and how these are filled up by individuals, and in case of ITR 2, in the Hindu and divided family. But now I'll be taking up ITR 3, and ITR 3 I'll be showing who can fill up ITR 3 and how to fill up ITR 3. I'll be taking on that. Okay, it is come. Okay, it should come. Yeah. So e-filing of ITR 3, I'm doing it today. Very briefly, I'll explain it for you. See, ITR 3 is applicable for individuals and HUF whose income from who have income from profits and gains from business and profession. This is the most important thing. I've already told you that if a person has income from profits and gains and profession, business and profession, then that person cannot use ITR 1 and ITR 2. So which form they will use? The persons who have income from profits and profits and gains from business and profession, they can use ITR 3. Please remember, ITR 3 can be used by an individual or HUF who have income from profits and gains from business or profession. The persons having income from following sources are eligible to file ITR 3. So profits and gains of business and profession will be there, but what are the other sources? Let us see what are the other sources. So point number one, they are carrying on business or profession, both tax audit and non-tax cases. So when you are having business or profession, that business or profession is subject to tax audit, or it may not be auditable. So whatever be, it may be tax audit is there, or suppose there is no tax audit. In both cases, person carrying on business or profession can file ITR 3, even if it is accounts are subject to tax audit or not subject to tax audit, no issue. But they are having business or profession, income from business or profession, they can use ITR 3. So return may include income from, what are the income coming here? See, individual also can fill up it, HUF can also fill up it. So house property income will be coming here, not necessarily one house property. I told you that in case of ITR 1, only one house property income should be there. But here, house property, whatever income, whatever number of house property, there no problem. Salary and or pension means in case of individual, they are getting salary or pension, and capital gains. These persons may have income from capital gains, then to be coming here, and income from other sources. So this is my very simple presentation about. There are many more things. You can go with the rule, go with the law, go with the book about what are the other points regarding ITR 3. But I have given you a very simple point. The persons, individual and divided family or individual who have income from business or profession can you file ITR 3. And one more point, their business may be subject to tax audit or may not be subject to tax audit. And their income includes income from house property, salary, pension, capital gains, income from other sources. So it comes to the end of my this presentation, and I'll be presenting now something online. Let me stop it. Let me stop this presentation. and go to online and sharing some other. I'll be presenting you this one. It's coming or not? Let me see. Yeah, let me open one more. Okay, it is already open. So let me take from here. Let me. E-filing is already open for me. That's it. E-filing page. Open or not? Let me see. Otherwise, I have to file it now. Okay, let me log on newly. www dot incometax.government.in. www.incometax.gov.in. So through this, I'll enter changes may have to cancel this now. So let me. It is already logged on. I've already logged on. So I'm just showing from here this ITR 3 to you. Let me see how it is working, because NAT is a problem, very big problem. Let me see how it is working. I'm targeting ITR 3. So I have to log in again. Okay, I'm logging again. Let me log again. Log in. Taking some time. Okay, it should come. I'm logging on to new portal of income tax department, new portal. So, recently there's a new portal and a lot of things have changed. So I'm logging on to that for 21-22 assessment year, and let me show you how to log on and how to continue. All these things I'll be showing once again. I've already shown in ITR 1 and 2, several videos are there, and now I'm showing it to ITR 3. It should open. Now once it is open, I log on and show you this. So to wait for some time. Let's wait for something. This area only there's a lot of problem with the internet. It's loading. Hmm. Yeah. So let me log in. Remember, user ID is always PAN number. I put my PAN number here. No. Okay. Okay. I put correctly my PAN number. Later, I'll put my password, which I cannot share with you. You also don't share with anybody. So this login you have to secure, like clicking it here. Let's click it here. Yeah. And then put your password here. Put your password here. Password. Yes, I have put my password. So let's move, see what is coming next. Uh, Continue is coming. So let me continue. Okay. So this way, logging in, it's same in all cases. After you register yourself, then logging in is not a problem. What is that? Okay. So it's taking some time again. I put my user ID, my PAN number, and I put my password, and now it should be logged on. Yeah, I think I have logged on. Very good. So we should do like this, and logging is same in all the forms. There's no difference. Many things will be coming here, but I'll choose here file now. You can do many other things like tax deposit. You can deposit tax, recent file returns. You can check if you have pending actions, recent forms find. All these things you can find. You can edit. You can do whatever you like. But my function here is to uh, file now. I have to show you how to file ITR 3. So I'm clicking it here. File now will be opening, and I'll choose ITR 3. See how I can choose it. I can take individual or I can take HUF. I'll be showing you how. Yes, like we take assessment year 21-22. I'm choosing assessment year 21-22. Let me not go offline. Let me go online here. It's not coming. I've chosen online. Yeah. Then I continue. Then I'll continue. Then I have no saved draft. I told you that if I partially completed my return earlier, it will be appearing as draft, saved draft, but nothing like that. So to file a fresh income return, I am going to start fresh. I'm starting my fresh just to show you how to enter into the depth of it and how to log on and how to fill up and which form is to be filled up which time. All these things you should know as a student. Which form should be filled up at which time. So, so should I go individual or HUF? I can go only one, individual or HUF, because they fill up ITR 3. So which one? Let me go HUF, no problem. Let me show one only I'll be showing, and I'll continue here. Yeah. So which form you are choosing? Let me select ITR form. I'm going by HUF this time. So I could have chosen individual also. I've chosen HUF, and I have to choose the form ITR 3. Let me choose ITR 3. Yes, I've taken ITR 3 for HUF. I've taken ITR 3 and I'll proceed with ITR 3. Let me proceed with ITR 3. Yeah, let's wait for some time. Proceed with ITR 3, and I'll be showing you how Indo-Antibiotic family fill up ITR 3, and you can yourself try how individuals fill up ITR 3. See, the steps are there. The basic steps in all cases will be coming here. Three basic steps are there. Validate your returns backup. That means earlier you have filled up a return, you have submitted return. So those common factors, suppose your name, your address, your phone number, your email ID, all these things are pre-filled. So they remain in the record. If you want to change, edit something, you can do it. So you have to validate. If you don't want to do anything, leave it. Validate your returns backup, that is pre-filled return. So after you check your pre-filled return, then you go to confirm your return summary. So this was confirm your return summary, and after that you should go for verify your return and submit your return. So how it will be done? Step by step, three steps are there. In all cases you have seen three steps. Let's go get started. Let us get started. Now the net is creating a lot of problems. Yeah, net is creating problem. So entering is almost same in all cases, but items may be different. You should know which form is to be filled up at what time. These are the points to be remembered. So ITR 3, net is creating lot of problems. Let me get started again. Yes, it is coming. So it is taking some time. Yeah, it has come. Let's get started again. It's loading. ITR 3 I am filling up. ITR 3, what are the things you see? And I've chosen HUF. You can choose individual also. So again, these things have come. You see, you remember that time why you are filling up the return, you have to choose these things. You have to choose these things, whether your taxable income is more than exemption limit, then you put this one. Or you click this one. But if there's any other reason for which you are filing the return, what are the other causes? Time and again I'm saying that your deposit in current account is more than 1 crore, or your foreign tour expenses are more than 2 lakhs rupees, and if you have electricity expenses more than 1 lakh rupees, in any of these three cases you have to fill up file return. So if your income is more than taxable limit, then also you can fill up. If it is not, then you choose the second one. Your income is not beyond taxable limit. Your income is within taxable limit. But you have any of these 3 points, like your deposit in the current account during the previous year is more than rupees 1 crore. And your foreign country you have traveled and the incurred expenditure incurred is more than rupees 2 lakhs, or your incurred expenditure amount of aggregate of exceeding rupees 1 lakh on consumption of electricity during the previous year. You paid more than rupees 1 lakh during the previous year as electricity bill. In any of these cases, you have to file a return. So you have to tick like that. You tick it here, then you can tick here like this, whichever is applicable. Suppose it is not applicable, don't tick. Suppose it is again applicable, you tick. You can tick 1 or 2 or 3 as you like. And then if it is nothing, then you do this one. It may be others also. And after that, you continue like this, continue like this. Yeah. So again, this income, business, see in this case schedule, it is ITR 3 now, so business will be there. Business, depreciation, deduction, all these points are there. You have to check and you have to fill up and verify. All schedules are there, and you have to check all the schedules. See, businesses come here. In ITR 2 and 1, business income was not included. And thereafter, the schedules are there. All these schedules, pre-filled schedules, you have to check, and other schedules you have to fill up fresh. So let's see what extent we go in ITR 3. You remember I've taken Hindu and Ved family and ITR 3. And I'm trying to show you how it is filled up. So see, these are the steps: general information, salary exemption, deduction. All these things are you have to check, and you have to answer some questions. Please provide following information. These questions you have to answer, like, are you opting for new tax regime under section 115 BSC? Then yes or no. Suppose yes. Suppose I have given yes for new tax regime, and then there will be some, you can continue. Almost same things are there. You should continue. Let's see what is coming. Yeah, these things are there again. Some more questions have come. Yeah, information about salary. All lot of questions, will be coming here. You have to answer yes or no, yes or no. You'll be answering this question, and where information necessary, you'll be providing the information. Let me continue with this much only. Yes. Then next, we shall find, see, general information, salary exemption, these are done. Now deductions has come. Automatically deductions come. So what deductions you're having? Deduction under section CCD, like pension scheme you have invested, and then these things you have to fill up as per question, yes or no. So deduction is also over So these three questions relating to general information, salary exemption, deduction. After checking all these things, I'm just going a very simple way, not fill upping or editing anything. I'm just showing you the way. And last, the business will be coming because it is income ITR 3 where business income is included. So you have to answer certain questions in connection with your business, like do you want to claim benefit of presumptive taxation for business? Then do you want to claim benefit of presumption taxation of any professional income? Then do you want to claim benefit of presumptive taxation of goods category, any goods category business? Are you engaged in specified business as per section 35 AD? All these questions you'll be answering regarding your business, and then you should continue. Yes, no, yes, no. Then you should continue. We should continue. Let's see where it takes us. Yeah, and all these things you have to check because it's your business. Regarding your business, you have to give all this information, like your manufacturing. You have to first will be your balance sheet. You have to balance sheet the 31st day of March 2021. Fill up 1 to 5 in case of where regular books of accounts are maintained. So they'll be giving a schedule here. You have to fill up this from the data taking from your balance sheet. You have to fill up the required information. Then you have to fill up data from your accounts. This manufacturing account. Manufacturing account for the financial year 2021, 6 items 1 to 3. So all this, whatever they ask for information, you should provide it. You should provide information from your trading account. So all this information will be filled up in as per your requirements, as per your necessity. All this, then your deduction will be giving all schedules you to fill up. You open the schedule and information will be there, and you can fill up from your balance sheet and income statement. This information will be fill upping, and that way, a total function will be over, and ultimately you can download this form after fill upping total fill up, and then you shall verify and you shall submit. So this we have done about ITR 3. Most of the things are same. I've done with HUF. The same thing you can do with individual also, almost same, but the required information will give. But most important point you should remember that in the ITR 3, income from business or profession is included. So thank you very much. We'll be coming up with another video very soon. Thank you very much.